A Coach men's store? What? They got their own little personal store? Ain't that crazy? Yeah, the music is musicking, so I'm probably going to end up having to like completely mute this out. But I want to check out Coach men's. Let's go. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna start out with the Sprint backpack, y'all. This backpack is 53% off. It used to be like $750. It's only $350 at the moment. They have it in so many different colors. They've got it in a gunmetal green. They've got it in a gunmetal tan. Y'all, I'm gonna show you another one that it's in that's super dope. Of course, this is in a black backpack, which is definitely nice, y'all. The way that it feels is super soft. I did love that about the bag, but of course y'all know which one I like the most. I love the green. They even got this in an army green one as well. I'm gonna make sure that I tag every backpack that I see online. I'm gonna make sure that I do tag it. Y'all, again, it's only $349. They do have it in signature as well, and even the signature is only $349, which is amazing. Y'all, this is in the men's store only. I did not remember seeing this in the outlet that has men and women's, but I'll be honest with you, I want to hold you. I do stay away from the men's section. I do know that this guy was like in my comments, and he said that I am completely wrong about the men's side. There's some dope bags over there, and he was not lying. He was definitely telling the truth. Now, here is the other one that I wanted to show you, y'all. This is the Shearling one. Super cute. Super cute. And this mini one is really cute as well. Now, this one is it's like a tan color with different color browns as well. I love how that Shearling just really sets the bag off. And then of course it has this regular jacquard tan color, which super adorable, y'all. Little small messenger bag as well. Super cute also. Y'all, they just always got some real, nice dope stuff in Coach, period. Like, this brand is really killing the game right now, and I love that for them. I think that this little duo, or this little throuple right here, is so cute. The Lucas crossbody bag and the Sprint sling pack, both of those are in that jacquard color with the Shearling on it, which I think is extremely adorable. Okay, yeah, I wish they would bring them in some other colors. That would be also dope, especially like a green. I normally never see like green jacquard signature C's all over bags, other than that one Rowan that they had. And of course, that thing sold out so fast it didn't make no sense. But y'all, other bags that they have, this one is in burgundy. Super cute. So this is how the fabric was for the olive green one. It was like this, but the burgundy one didn't stick around either. The burgundy left before the olive green one, and I'm talking about on the Rowan. But y'all, that backpack is dope. That's a cute backpack. Now they also have like little camera bags as well on the men's section, which is really nice also. Signature with the black flap over it. These are really cute also. The Graham crossbody bag is that one camera bag, and this one is so adorable as well. I like the fact that it's embossed with the C's. That always gets me. I always think that that is a really nice touch. Yeah, I'm not really for sure on all the names of these bags. I ended up doing so much talking to the associate that I really didn't get down to business as far as figuring out all the names, grabbing all the tags and stuff like that. But the pricing on everything seems to be under $350 for most things. Now, this is a cute little tote bag. This is the Sprint tote in signature. This one again is only $229. So like I said, things are not really going over $350 for these bags. Super cute. Yeah, this is also the Sprint bag as well, but it is in the signature tote without the Shearling. So, and even the Shearling one is only $352. Now, y'all, these right here, these huge weekenders, these are also very nice. I like how large they are. Like, I love that for them. They're the Trekker. This is the Trekker bag. It's in black, but they also have it in like a brown color as well. Now these are $400, so these are a little bit higher. Now I hate to say the price and then they go on sale and then they be cheaper or higher, so that's why I kind of keep the price out of the mix. You have to tap the link, because the link could be saying something totally different a month from now, and these videos are pretty much evergreen because Coach continuously restocks, and so sometimes it could be higher, the price can go up, it can go down. I hate to quote you a price and then you go back a week later and it's totally different, and then it's like I don't know what I'm talking about. Just keep in mind that they do fluctuate their prices in their stores depending on what percent off that they're having. One day they might go to 30% off, it's no telling, so then of course you're going to pay higher. So that's why I don't like to quote the bag prices. I like for you to go in, tap the link, it's on the shopping cart on the screen. You can go into the description and it's all laid out. I believe it might even show the picture of it. I'm not really for sure, but yeah, I just like to be real careful because I don't want you to think it is something that it is not. You feel me? So I do hope that you guys understand that explanation. I know I've definitely heard people say, tell us the prices. That's impossible. I mean, just think about Black Friday. There was bags that are $500 that were only $250. You know what I mean? And now I'm sure those bags are back up to $500. Now, y'all, I thought this was cute. I really did. Because of those pockets and the signature on the pockets, I thought that this was a cute denim jacket, okay? This is a denim jacket. So, you know, it's strong, it's sturdy, and it's probably worth every penny. You know what I mean? They got some cute stuff in the men's department, like the commenter said. He was absolutely right. I was wrong. They definitely have some worth taking a look at, worth buying items in the outlet for the men. You know, definitely something that I think is versatile and women can also, you know, enjoy as well. And yeah, definitely get some wear out of, especially the backpacks. Like, I am definitely hardcore into those backpacks that look, I don't want to say rugged, you know, but I definitely like them, y'all. And then laptop bags. This is not something that I see for us. Most of the time I see in the women's department totes. I don't normally see a whole lot of cases like this for your laptop. I would love that myself, and it would be even nicer in like a brown color. Now, like I say, even when you go into the outlet store that's regular, that stuff is on the men's side, in my opinion. Look at the green one. Ain't that beautiful? I do believe I asked him how much that was for the moment. I don't remember what he said, but again, it's the prices are going to fluctuate, so you cannot count on a price to be one thing today. Today's prices is not tomorrow's prices, put it that way. So yeah, but this one is adorable. I mean, I would love to carry that around and look like I do some type of big business or something, when really I'm just probably about to videotape something. You know, it's nothing major. I'm not a lawyer. I'm not anybody that should even carry that. There is no time in my life that I need that, but I need it. Okay. The suede totes are really cute as well. Of course, I like it in brown. I wish the brown was suede, but I'm getting enough of those suedes. You know, I do got a couple of suede bags. I got a brown one and a black suede bag. Not like these, but it's time for me to chill out on wanting suede so bad. But I definitely do. I definitely enjoy how it looks. I think it is a beautiful color, especially in Coach. Their bags look so rich, y'all. But hey, I hope this was enough to make you want to go in the men's department at the outlet and check it out, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.